Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Fluency Podcast with Emma and Daniel.
Hi, everyone. Today's episode is a big one. 100 real-life sentences.
That's right. Everyday English you can start using immediately.
100 sentences in one episode.
Yes. Organized into 10 easy categories, 10 sentences each.
What categories will we cover?
Greetings, daily routine, home, work, shopping, food, weather, feelings, travel, and phone calls.
That covers almost every situation.
Exactly. Listen to each sentence, then repeat it out loud.
Perfect for building a big base of practical English. Fast.
Before we start, our small favor,
Like this episode. Subscribe to our channel.
and try our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, link in the description.
Okay, let's learn 100 sentences, starting now.
Category 1, greetings and introductions. Repeat each sentence after me. Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you.
How are you doing today?
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Daniel.
My name is Daniel.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Brazil.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
See you later.
See you later.
Take care. Goodbye.
Take care. Goodbye.
10 sentences done. These are perfect for meeting anyone, anywhere.
I already use some of these every day.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Category 2, daily routine. Let's continue. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I have breakfast before work.
I have breakfast before work.
I leave the house at 8.
I leave the house at 8.
I usually take the bus to work.
I usually take the bus to work.
I have lunch at noon.
I have lunch at noon.
I finish work at 6.
I finish work at 6.
I cook dinner in the evening.
I cook dinner in the evening.
I watch television before bed.
I watch television before bed.
I go to sleep around 11.
I go to sleep around 11.
Perfect 20 sentences so far. All practical, real-life English. Category 3, sentences you use at home. Can you help me with the dishes?
Can you help me with the dishes?
I need to clean my room.
I need to clean my room.
The kitchen is a mess.
The kitchen is a mess.
Where are my keys?
Where are my keys?
Can you turn off the lights, please?
Can you turn off the lights, please?
I'm going to take a shower.
I'm going to take a shower.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
I need to do the laundry.
I need to do the laundry.
It's time to go to bed.
It's time to go to bed.
Great job. These are sentences you might use every single day at home.
So natural and useful.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Category 4, Common Sentences at Work. Good morning. How was your weekend?
Good morning. How was your weekend?
Can we schedule a meeting?
Can we schedule a meeting?
I'll send you the report today.
I'll send you the report today.
Sorry, I'm running a little late.
Sorry, I'm running a little late.
Do you have a moment to talk?
Do you have a moment to talk?
I have a question about this project.
I have a question about this project.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
I'll finish this by tomorrow.
I'll finish this by tomorrow.
Thanks for your help today.
Thanks for your help today.
Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.
Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.
Excellent. 40 sentences already. Halfway to 100.
This is going faster than I expected.
Category 5, Shopping Sentences. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size?
I'm just looking, thank you.
I'm just looking, thank you.
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
I'll take this one, please.
I'll take this one, please.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Where's the nearest supermarket?
Where's the nearest supermarket?
That's a great price.
That's a great price.
Perfect, useful for any shopping trip anywhere.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Category 6, Food and Restaurant Sentences. I'd like a table for 2, please.
I'd like a table for 2, please.
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I'll have the chicken, please.
I'll have the chicken, please.
Could I get some water, please?
Could I get some water, please?
This tastes delicious.
This tastes delicious.
Could we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please?
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Thank you. Everything was wonderful.
Thank you. Everything was wonderful.
60 sentences now. You're doing wonderfully.
My mouth is getting good exercise today.
Category 7, Weather and Time Sentences. What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny outside.
It's sunny outside.
It looks like it's going to rain.
It looks like it's going to rain.
It's really cold today.
It's really cold today.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's almost noon.
It's almost noon.
We're running a bit late.
We're running a bit late.
Let's meet at 3 o'clock.
Let's meet at 3 o'clock.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Today is a beautiful day.
Today is a beautiful day.
Perfect. 70 sentences complete.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
I'm really happy today.
I'm really happy today.
I'm a little tired.
I'm a little tired.
That makes me nervous.
That makes me nervous.
I think that's a great idea.
I think that's a great idea.
I'm not sure about that.
I'm not sure about that.
I really enjoyed that.
I really enjoyed that.
That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting.
I completely agree with you.
I completely agree with you.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm excited about this.
I'm excited about this.
Wonderful. 80 sentences now, expressing feelings clearly.
These help me talk about how I really feel.
Category 9, travel and directions. How do I get to the airport?
How do I get to the airport?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Where's the nearest train station?
Where's the nearest train station?
How long does the trip take?
How long does the trip take?
I'd like to book a ticket.
I'd like to book a ticket.
What time does the flight leave?
What time does the flight leave?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
I'm a little lost.
I'm a little lost.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
90 sentences, just 10 left.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Hello, this is Daniel speaking.
Hello, this is Daniel speaking.
Could I speak to Sarah, please?
Could I speak to Sarah, please?
Sorry, I have a bad connection.
Sorry, I have a bad connection.
Can you hear me clearly?
Can you hear me clearly?
I'll call you back later.
I'll call you back later.
My phone battery is low.
My phone battery is low.
Could you send me the link?
Could you send me the link?
I didn't receive your message.
I didn't receive your message.
Let's video call instead.
Let's video call instead.
Thanks for calling. Talk soon.
Thanks for calling. Talk soon.
100 sentences complete. Amazing work, everyone.
That felt incredible. So many useful sentences in one episode.
Daniel, what did we practice today?
100 real-life English sentences across 10 everyday categories.
Greetings, routine, home, work, shopping, food, weather, feelings, travel, and phone calls.
Every situation you could need in daily life.
What's the most important message today?
These aren't just words, they're sentences you can use starting today.
Exactly. Our question for you: which category was most useful for you?
Tell us in the comments.
Which sentence will you try to use today?
Share it with other learners.
Please like this episode.
subscribe, and save this episode to practice again.
And don't forget our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, linked below.
Share this with a friend who wants practical everyday English.
This episode could become their daily reference.
Thank you for learning with us.
Your English is getting better every day.
This was the English Fluency Podcast.
Until next time, keep practicing these sentences every day.
You've got this.
Bye, everyone. See you next week.
Happy practicing!
If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.